Coin plus card plus QR ATM. Volume and rate setting. This is Initiative's Coin plus Card plus QR ATM, and we are going to see the settings of volume and rate. Press enter to go to quick settings with the help of up or down keys. Press enter when the cursor is on quick setting. Read the instructions on display. Place MasterCard. Go to volume and rate setting with the help of down key and press enter. In this volume and rate setting, we can see 4 tabs, and we can set maximum 4 volumes for each tab. Press enter to set the number of volume. You can go to next tab by pressing down button. You can press enter to set the volume and rate. Now we will see how to set the volume. Press enter to select the 4 number options of volume. Press up button to select one volume. Press enter to set. Press enter again to go on volume. There are 4 types of volumes: 1 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter and 20 liter. With the help of up or down keys, select the desired volume and press enter to set the volume. With the help of up or down keys, you can change the rate and press enter to set the rate. Press back button to exit from volume and rate setting. Press back button again to exit from settings. Settings done for the batch mode. Thank you.